welcome back. We shall continue our discussion on IRC 78 Part 2, the limit state design of foundation. Till now, we have seen the open foundation and pile foundation in case of rock and soil, both under tension and compression. We'll move forward with the piles under lateral load. So, for piles under lateral load, we have two cases. One is for single and second is for group action. In single pile, we have the ultimate limit state and the serviceability limit state. In ultimate limit state, again we have three factors: the load factor, material factor, and the resistance factor. For load factor, we shall refer to the table B4 of IRC 6. For material factor, the set 1 shall be used for combination 1 and set 2 shall be used for combination 2 accidental and the seismic combination as given in the table 2 of IRC 78. The resistance factor, what does the code says that is the characteristic capacity thus arrived means by any of the calculation methods, if we arrive a capacity of pile under lateral loads, that is called as the characteristic capacity, and this shall be multiplied by a factor given in table B4 of IRC 6. So till now what we were doing is we were under the category of resistance factor, we were dividing the characteristic loads with the model factor or the gamma factors. Here what it has said that we need to multiply it by the factors given in table before, so which is the load factor. So ultimately what is happening that the load factor and the resistance factor are the same, and the load is magnified by some amount and the resistance is also magnified by the same amount. In case of serviceability, the deflection shall be less than 1% of the pile dia at the score level or at the cutoff level for the rear load combination. Moving on to the group action, the load factor is the same, the material factor is the same, and the resistance factor is also the same. However, it says that the depth of the wall shall be equal to 6d, which is the maximum. We can take 6d, and the width of the wall can be taken as L plus 2b. And it says that the resistance, pile resistance, shall be less than equal to the number of pile into the capacity of one pile. Okay, for group action, the resistance capacity shall be less than or equal to the number of pile into the capacity of one pile. Moving forward, we'll see also the structural design of pile in ultimate and the serviceability limit state. So for ultimate limit state, it says the combination of action as per table B4 of IRC 6 with relevant material factors shall be used for calculation of or for the design of structural design of piles. Whereas in case of serviceability limit state, we shall follow the combination of action as per table B3, I think B3 of IRC 6 with material factor as 1. So this concludes the pile foundation section, and in the next section we'll see the well foundations. Thank you very much.